I will be making chili, but out of a can because we're on a time frame. A lot was going on today. I was out at the butt crack of dawn. Kids had school. There's snow and ice and the roads are crazy. I didn't have time to take out any meat, and I don't have time to make chili from scratch. So we're going to be making Wendy's chili from the can. That's right. And we're going to be hooking it up so it can taste like it's homemade. So I'm going to take you along this journey with me as I do this. And if you like it, don't forget to like this video. And if you don't like it, still like the video. I'm joking. You don't have to like nothing. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this little video. So I will be cutting up these onions, and then I will add tomato sauce. Well, I don't know. I'm going to cut up the onions with some garlic. Let me get my garlic. Okay, here is my garlic and my onion. I'll keep you guys updated on what I'll do next. I'm so confused because I never did box. Oh my goodness, I never did canned chili before. Every time I make chili, I just make it myself for like hours. But I'm gonna heat up the canned chili and see what I'm working with. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, let me do that first. Okay, so I heat up the can of Wendy's chili, and oh my god, guys, let me show you. It tastes like Wendy's chili. Like, so if you ever craving Wendy's chili but don't want to like skirt and go into the Wendy's drive-thru, go to your local supermarket and pick up a can of the Wendy's chili and just heat it up and eat that thing. But I wanted to taste more homemade-ish, so I'm gonna be throwing in my onions and my garlic. So I added my onions and my garlic in here. I don't need to add any green peppers because there's already green peppers in the Wendy's chili, and there's beans, but the real ones know that there's no beans in real chili. But my husband likes beans in his chili. My kids prefer me not to add beans in the chili, but my husband loves beans in his chili. So next I will be adding in fire roasted diced tomatoes. Look how pretty they look. Okay, so I added in the roasted tomatoes, and I will be stirring this up. I didn't add all the liquid, as if you can see her. So this is how it looks. She's so pretty. Let me stir it around, let it simmer, cook together, and then I will be adding in some green chilies as well. Here it is all mixed up together. How beautiful she looks. So I'm going to cover her and let her cook on a simmer. Look at her. So it's the next day. I am editing out the video for you guys, and I completely forgot to end it last night to show you the taste testing and stuff. But yesterday was one of those days, you know, baby bugs wasn't feeling good, and it was like a whole time crunch, and you know, real life just happened. I didn't get to film us eating it like I normally do with hubby, but it came out really good. I'm gonna use it as a mirror. It came out really good. The only thing that hubby had to complain about was that it needed a little more meat in it. He didn't even know it was canned chili until I told him. He thought I made it from scratch. So it was good. And thank you guys for following along this video and following when real life stuff happens, you know. But thank you for being here through the real imperfect days. And if you have tried this, or if you have your own chili with a twist, let me know in the comment section. And always remember to make good choices, be good people, and always, always, always remember that nobody loves you like you love you and like God loves you. Bye.